Hello, today we will guide you through how to add link in Behance. To begin, open Behance in your web browser. Once the site loads, make sure you are signed in so you can access your projects and editing tools. This process is useful when you want to direct viewers to a website, portfolio page, or any other online resource directly from the text inside one of your Behance projects. After you are on Behance, move to the upper right area of the screen and click on your Behance profile. This will take you to your profile page where your published work and project drafts are typically displayed. From here, locate the project where you want to add a link. Next, hover your cursor over that project. As you do, an edit option should appear. Click Edit to open the project in the Behance editor. This is where you can make changes to your project content, including text formatting and links. Once you are in the editor, click on Text. This allows you to work directly with a text block or add and edit written content within the project. If the text is already there, click into the section you want to update so you can begin editing it. Now highlight the specific text that you want to turn into a clickable link. It's a good idea to select text that clearly tells viewers where the link will take them, so the project remains easy to read and professional. With the text highlighted, click the link icon in the editing toolbar. This opens the option to attach a web address to the selected text. When the link field appears, paste in the URL you want to use. Make sure the web address is complete and correct, since even a small mistake can stop the link from working properly. After pasting the URL, click Done to apply the link. At this point, the selected text should now be connected to the web address you entered. That's all it takes to add a link in Behance. If needed, you can click on the linked text again to review it and confirm everything looks right. Taking a moment to double-check your text selection and URL can help avoid broken links and improve the viewer experience. Once you're satisfied, your project will include a clean, clickable link that helps guide your audience to more of your work or important information.